Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunis Ali University of Blida to in Algeria. Today we going to present my sixth lecture titled The Blockchain Technology. So I have divided my sixth lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is blockchain technology? How can you select the right blockchain company? Language activities, how to use, receive title of, and finally, different type of assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. First element, what is a blockchain technology? A blockchain technology is an open, distributed ledger that records transactions in code. In practice, it is a little like a checkbook that's distributed across countless computers around the world. Transactions are recorded in blocks that are then linked together on a chain of previous cryptocurrency transactions. Second element, select the right blockchain company. We have created a comprehensive listing of the top blockchain technology companies on the following criteria. First criteria, years of experience in a market. Second, they're experts in CEO. Third, team strength. Fourth, skills of blockchain developers. Fifth, technologies the company works on. Sixth criteria, number of blockchain projects completed by company before. Last criteria, blockchain services and products. And finally, expertise in business development. Third element, language activities. How to use receive the title of. Receive the title of refers to accepting of a new title of or designation, especially in a corporate company. The phrase receive the title of is very important to understand when use it to refer to moving up in a company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. For examples, Attaf received the title of CCO in his company. Amin received the title of Chief Actuary Officer in his business. And finally, Mustafa was very excited to receive the title of Web Developer in a new company at Diyar al-Bahri. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next week.